Human beings are complex organisms that are made up of million individual systems which work together to give us life. Understanding these systems and the way they are built allows us to live healthier lives and help combat diseases. Biochemistry is a fundamental science that explores the processes occurring at a cellular and a molecular level.
Biochemistry is essentially looking at all the different molecules that go to make up life. It's effectively chemistry of life, the chemistry of life. Looking at molecules that, for example, make up the protein that's in your hair, molecules that are involved in digesting food in your stomach, molecules such as proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and DNA. All the essence of all the basic molecules that interact together to make living organisms alive.
So biochemistry, I will say it's zooming into this living organism at cellular level with the understanding how does it work, how can we manipulate it for our beneficial.
Biochemistry has played a key role in many important discoveries that have changed our life for the better. Unraveling the interaction between viruses and cells in the body have allowed biochemists to develop rapid diagnostic tools to determine whether you are infected by a particular virus or disease.
Biochemistry allows us to understand many different things that happen in our world. It allows us to understand how we digest food and take up food, which is important for energy. It allows us to understand various diseases that affect humans, and my favorite subject, of course, is malaria. I had malaria several times as a child. It's a very nasty disease, and I wondered if there's a way I could understand more about the disease, and biochemistry allows me to do that.
Biochemistry is very essential to the medical field. The medical field will not survive without biochemistry. Within the field of biochemistry, there's basic research, right, that enables us to understand the development of diseases, right? And with that knowledge we get, we are able to develop drugs that they can fight those diseases. If we cannot come up with a way to combat diseases, we will all die. And biochemistry gives us a platform for us to address different diseases and come up with a way to conquer those diseases.
The University of KwaZulu-Natal has a team of well-renowned biochemists whose goal and passion is to get the next generation of biochemists ready to create groundbreaking research that could change the world.
For the first year, one has to have a basic science background with some chemistry, biology, and maths and physics, which gives you the correct background to move forward. At the second year, you start to specialize, where you do particular courses in biochemistry. So the students at second year are advised to take biochemistry plus some courses in microbiology and genetics. That then opens up the possibility that they can have a degree after third year called biochemistry, or a degree with two areas that they specialize in, biochemistry and microbiology, or biochemistry and genetics, or the combination between the two of genetics and microbiology.
Hi, my name is Lisa Mahlaba. I'm doing my second year of Masters in Biochemistry at the University of KwaZulu-Natal in the Pietermaritzburg campus. So why biochemistry? So in high school I did physics, I did bio as well, and I loved them both. So when I got into university, biochemistry is more broad. I mean, you have biology, if you want to go into biology, you have microbiology, you also have physics, but biochemistry sort of just brings it all together. So my experience at UKZN has been amazing. From undergrad, the help. I mean, you come to university from high school, it's completely different. You have tutors, you have demonstrators, you have certain separate classes, that just extra classes if you're struggling. So also your lecturers are very open to help as well. They are professionals in their field. They know exactly what they're teaching you. They've had so much experience. So lecturers have been great at UKZN.
To study biochemistry at UKZN, a minimum APS score of 28 points is required, with maths, English, life orientation, and either physics, life sciences, or agricultural sciences. Visit our website for more information.
Anybody that I think wants to make a difference in a number of different fields, I think should study biochemistry.